So, welcome to the fifth episode of Healing with Rue Creates, and I hope you're enjoying this series and they are helping you glow through what you go through. So, today we are talking about why rebound relationships almost never work and what to do instead. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Happy couples everywhere, like holding hands, kissing on hilltops, and cringy captions like he is my peace, healed by his love, and whatnot. Ever wondered why rebound relationships almost never work? Because love, they are a scam. So, first, let's break this down. Why people even rebound? To move on faster, to show your ex that you are thriving, to avoid being alone, to prove you're still desirable, to distract from your pain. But here's a thing, a rebound is not about the new person. It's about not wanting to deal with the old you. You're not trying to fall in love here. You are trying to escape a heartbreak. You are skipping a part where you actually heal. Okay, so here's a quick lesson. Ever heard of the mirror effect? It means you are not attracted to them. It means you are attracted to how they reflect the part of you that feel empty, broken, or rejected. And in a rebound, we fall in love with the illusion and not with the individual. And when the illusion breaks, the pain returns, and now even messier because here someone else's feelings are also involved. Rebound relationships actually feel good at first, but emotionally, you are just putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. So now you all must be wondering, okay, we get it, but how to know if our new connection is a rebound? So I have a quick game for you all, but you all have to be really honest, okay? So, do you get anxious when they don't reply quickly? Are you oversharing your past trauma too soon? Do you feel a need to make this work to prove your point? Are you constantly comparing them to your ex? Are you trying to convince yourself that this time it's real? So I hope you answered all of the questions really honestly, and if the answer is yes, then dear, that's not love, that's panic. So you don't want them, you want relief, and relief is temporary, but healing is permanent. So I hope you get it, but what to do instead? So first step is to feel your feelings, even the ugly ones. Most people fear this part, the silence, the loneliness, the stillness after breakup. But guess what? That silence is the starting point. Always remember, the pain that you feel is the pain that you release. You don't move on by running away. You move on by moving through. You gotta allow yourself to fall apart so you can rebuild yourself even stronger. Step 2, reconnect with your identity, because breakups aren't about losing someone. They are about losing the version of you that existed with them. So instead of jumping into another relationship, jump into you. Try things that you never did with them, or try to do things alone that you only did with them. Wear clothes that you love, not what they liked. Rediscover your passion. Rebuild your routines. You don't need to be chosen again. You need to choose yourself. Step 3, set a heartbreak deadline. Here's a tool I wish most people used. Set a mourning period. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever feels right. Let yourself cry, feel, and reflect. But once the deadline is over, step out of the victim mode and step into your growth mode. You can love your ex, you can miss them, but you are still responsible for the life you choose next. You don't need a new person to heal from the old one. You need a new relationship with yourself. And when you genuinely heal, you won't chase love anymore. It will quietly walk in, and this time it will feel more calm and not chaotic. Now you will finally be whole. But hey, that's not the end of our healing arc. What comes next after a heartbreak? How to stop being broken and start being your best self? That's what we are talking in my next video. Self-love after a heartbreak. How to fall in love with yourself again. It's raw, it's real, and this might be the video that will help you glow emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. So hit that subscribe button. Let's heal together.